Hi, welcome to Lakshmi's study room. Today our topic is questions from experiment. So it's the direct question. How can you prove that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis? So it is a direct question. For this question you have to draw the diagram and label the parts, and as well as you have to write the procedure like this. What is the aim and materials required, procedure, observation, test for gas, inference, precautions, all these things should be you have to write in your examination. First, what is the aim? So aim, the question itself, it gives clues to us. What is that one? How can you prove that oxygen is so oxygen is produced during photosynthesis? It is the aim for this question. And what are the materials? So it is a beaker and water and funnel. This is the funnel and this is the test tube, and plants, hydrilla or Elodea plants we can use. So, and matchstick. So all these are materials. And while moving to the procedure, so arrange the apertures which was shown in this figure. Make two identical sets. That means we have to prepare this type of two sets. So because one is kept in sunlight and other one is kept in dark. So make sure first place some water plants like Elodea or Hydrilla plants in the funnel of the stem. This is the funnel, and short stemmed we can cut into a small pieces and it should be placed in the funnel and keep it in a beaker. It should be kept in a beaker. So then pour water into the beaker. So the water should be filled with the beaker. So invert a test tube. So that means we can place the test tube in inverted position on the stem of the funnel, and ensure that water should be the level of the water will be in the above the stem of the funnel in the beaker. So place one up to I have already told you to make two sets. One is kept in a sunlight and other was kept is a other one should be kept in a dark. So we can see air replacing the water, the setup one kept in the sun, because the air bubbles represents what it represents. It is a oxygen. So after sufficient gas is collected, the test tube is taken out the beaker carefully by closing its mouth mouth with our thumb. So what can we observe? After some time it is observed that gas bubbles comes from the hydrilla plant, which is kept in the setup placed in the sunlight, but no gas bubbles come in the setup too because it was kept in the dark. So test for gas. How can we test the gas? We can test the gas in the test tube by inserting a glowing matchstick. By glowing matchstick we can place the glowing matchstick. Once matchstick or incense stick, the presence of oxygen gas indicated by the bursting of matchstick or lightning of incense stick. But in setup 2 is not observed there is no evolution of gas. So inference, this shows that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. So what are the precautions we have to take? Ensure that everything is stable. That means we did not move anything. And ensure that the level of the water beaker in the above the level of the stem of the funnel, inverted funnel. So carefully taken out of the test tube out of the beaker by closing its mouth with our thumb. Then this is the second type of question. What's the aim of this experiment, and label the parts. So what's the aim of this experiment? To prove that oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight, and label the parts. This one is a test tube, and D is a beaker, and B is a funnel, and C is a hydrilla plants. So what's the aim of this experiment? I have already told you. And so name the physiological process being studied in this experiment. Which process we can be observed? Photosynthesis. So what are the apertures required to conduct this experiment? Test tube, beaker, funnel, and hydrilla or Elodea plants, water, matchstick or incense stick. So name the alternative plant that can be used in this experiment instead of hydrilla. Elodea plants. So what are the precautions can be taken while conducting this experiment? Ensure that everything it is stable, and ensure that level of the water in the beaker is above the level of the stem of the inverted funnel. So these precautions we have to write this one. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my videos to your friends, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.